In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station. The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
Your kind of music. All day, all night. Right here on your one and only station.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
Ngilile
Ngena kanjalo-ke namhlanje kuseni, if you are just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Siyawamukela, sibingelele-ke Dr. Pix lika-Isaac Kaseme, nakuzo zonke indawo la kufinyelela khona umsakazo i-VOR. Sibingelele nje Dr. Pix likaseme ukuhlukana kwayo, sibingelele Brother Cop, sibingelele Amasport, sibingelele Dagagral, sibingelele Fakastorm, sibingelele-ke nakhona la ekhaya Full Crust. Sithi nje namhlanje kuseni kulesine, it's a TBT Thursday la sizobe sikushaya khona ngeyingoma ezikukhumbuza emumva le. The reason why we create such platform is to cover istory ezingekho too much mainstream. Size highlights nje sizithi qapu, but the main yalama shows esinawo ukuthi sinike lo mculo lo ongasayitholi i-platform, especially kuma mainstream radios. Sikwamkeleke namhlanje kuseni uhleli noSakhile Sakhi Ngwenya, well known as Mr. Sounds of Soul. Esishilo ukuthi namhlanje it's a TBT Thursday, sizokushaya nje ngama classic songs nawe azokukhumbuza futhi akududuzeke kulesine namhlanje. We need to calm you down since siya ku weekend impela ngathi izoba busy looking at the things. Bangay 4 there is a big event elapha USA indawo yaseMasford esinayo ke la Dr. Pix lika-Isaac Kaseme kuthiwa USA. There's a big event coming there la kuza khona uJimmy Drums ku host abafowethu lapha na uSperman benosekwali nizokwazi ukubasupporta nizokwazi ukuphumelela. Mina ke njengomsakazi ngizobe nami nginama commitments at that day, kodwa konke ngathi kungahamba kahle siwafisela inhlanhla amashita sengathi event ingaba impumelelo. If usana ngena ke tuned into iFocus Online Radio, ngaphandle kokusho isikhathi sizongena ke engomeni yethu yesibili esiyiprepareile for today, and then from there we'll be looking at the top stories that we have namhlanje ekuseni, and then sizothi qapu futhi ke nanoluvo labalaleli bethu esinabo lapha neinkundleni zokuxhumana. As yesterday there was a very serious discussion esibe nayo about forming a committee. Namhlanje somsakazi ekuseni we want to look close kuloko ukuthi ungasinceda kanjani umphakathi wase Dr. Pix lika-Isaac Kaseme. If you are just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Sikwamkeleke nje la uhleli khona, sihlala nathi uthi ne up until 9 o'clock la sizoba sikhupha khona umculo omnandi wawuthanda okudlalwa way back in the days. Welcome to the show. Hlala nathi ke up until 9 o'clock. Uhleli naye ke lapha yana uSakhile Sakhi Ngwenya, well known as Mr. Sounds of Soul.
In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
The moon gave seasons change. Whoa. You made the clouds, you put the rainbow after rain. Whoa. Created time, knowledge one's mind. Gave pictures frames. Whoa. Created man, gave him one man. Why did you do that for me? These are the questions asked before I lay down and go to sleep. Ooh, sometimes I wonder why you decided to keep your hands on me. Of all the miracles, signs and wonders, there's still one mystery. How did you manage to love me? You breathed the life right into me, then made my heart beat. Whoa. Created the mountains, all of the deep seas, flowers in the trees. Whoa. You made tomorrow come again. You calm the strong winds. Whoa. Never all I've done, you gave me a son. Tell me, why would you do that for me? These are the questions I ask before I lay me down and go to sleep. Right in the middle of my prayers, sometimes I wonder why you decided to keep your hands on me. Of all the miracles, signs and wonders, there's still one mystery. How did Said I've got to know how did you manage to love me? After all the wrong I've done, oh Lord, how did you manage to love me? After I've been so bad, oh Lord, how did you manage to forgive me? Even when I didn't believe in me, you believed in me, Lord, how did you manage to forgive me? Jesus, you sacrificed your very life for me. How did you manage? Lord, tell me why did you pay the price for me?
Sitholeke i-double play yethu lapha. We open our show ngoba imnandi buya lapha ku Lira ethi Hamba. It's one of the classic songs. I remember the DJ Fresh made a house version yale ngoma yashisa nje ikhotha kakhulu way back in the days kuma clubs naseyindaweni zokuyijabulisa. Right now uqeda kuphela it's from R. Kelly ethi How Did You Manage. Is one of the classic song nayo ke ekhuthazayo futhi esigqugquzelayo ukuthi no uNkulunkulu nendlela sihlelela ngayo izinto singabantu abasha izinto singabantu siphila nje sonke emhlabeni jikelele. Sibikeleleke nje if usanda kusijoyina sithi hlala nathi ke up until 9 o'clock la sobe sikuba khona ama updates nama top stories esibaphethe ke namhlanje. Izoloke lapha na inkundleni zokuxhumana via our WhatsApp group epage lethu ke la WhatsApp Focus Online Radio. Kuvele umbono omuhle kakhulu obuya lapha yana kubaba uJacobs wakathwala la bekathi khona i-starting point singaba sekutheni kwenziwa i-database yabantu base-Pix lika Isakaseme abaye ukuyofundela ama-skills ema-college ko-Newcastle, ko-Standerton, ko-Emelo, ko-Perekop nanoma yikuphike lapho befunde khona nenhlobo yalo ma-skills type of skills. Isizathu sokuthi kutholakale le information esokuthi kwazeka ukuthi ingabe lawo ma skills alusizo yini kubantwana bethu bakhona yini asebesebenza ngokuthola lawo ma skills. Uma ke bengasebenzi kodwa sebenawo izimpepha zawo bangasizakala kanjani? And then sizobese ke senze umsebenzi omkhulu umphakathi wethu sindlule ngisho no government wethu. Usho ukuthi lana ke bekusukela engqoqweni esinayo sibuka ukuthi there's a lot of graduates ahleli angasebenzi anama skills athile kuba yilabo nalabo abakwazi ukuthi babe nenhlanhla ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi baqhasheke ezikhungweni ezithile within Dr. Pix la Isakaseme. So waseseza nalombono ke sikubona umbono omuhle yaqhubeka ke inkulumo ke kulokukhulunywa angena namanye ke amalungu omphakathi kwathiwa no, this committee should be the initial point. Sifomele committee ezosebenzisana nomasipala wethu close hand to hand into developing people with skills. Sibuke futhi sikwazi ukufundisa nabasayikolweni ukuthi hayi ungathi uyevasithi i-theory without practical it's kind of useless. Ungathi uyakuTVET are good, colleges are good because there is theory, there is practical, of which mangabe uphuma usuke so ukwazi ukulungele futhi ukusebenza kanti mawubuye euniversity usuke nje uphethe i-theory yolwazi bathi ungakazi ukuthi lento le uyenze practical. So besibonisana ngezinto ke ezifana nalezo ihambile ke ingxoxo yethu sizoloku seni update ukuthi sigcine siphuma ngaliphi amalungu omphakathi labe wavoice khona futhi endlulisa imbono mayelana nale topic ebesikhuluma ngayo. If you are just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Sikwamkeleke manje ekseni usanda ngena ngo 6:30 sizonipha ke ama updates and the top stories that we have today. CVOR esiqophileke sanilungisela yona for namuhla sibona ukuthi kwenzakalani ezweni. We still need to give you an update mayelana naloko ke. Usahle naye kusakhile sakhe ingwenya well known as Mr. Sounds of Soul. If usanda ngena ke siyakwamukela. It's a TBT Thursday. Welcome to the show.
Baby, you are my life.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
There's no house without a home, and there's no man who wants to be alone.
child without a dream, and there's no song without a meaning. That's how I know there's no me without you. There's no life without a plan. Every woman wants herself a good man. There's no heartaches without tears, and time just can't go by without the years. Without you, there's no me without you.
You know, there's no stars without the night. And there's no wrong without a right. And there's no good without a bad. And when one man's happy, the other man's sad.
Oh, that's how I know there's no me without you.
Without wasting time, I guess sizongena laphayana on the top stories esinawo ke namhlanje la ku VOR. Namhlanje ke bakasasa bathi naziseke ngama dates ohola ukuthi ahleleke ngalendlela. All the pensions grant ingomhla ka3 September 2021. This includes the grants of the grants linked to these accounts laba be disability bazoyithola ngomhla ka6. This includes any grant linked to this account, and then bese sekuba ama foster care grant ngomhla ka7 September, kube ama care dependency grant ngomhla ka7 December, kube ama child support grant ngomhla ka7 September. And then SASSA continued to say that there is no need to rush to withdraw the cash on the first day. Once the money is in your account, it will remain there until it is needed. As for the 350 grants, the first payment of the reinstallment of the grant commenced on 25 August, and it will continue. So labo bangatholi ama 350 wabo abakhululeke kushuthi ke abakwasasa abasabhizi ngohlelo. Kume kanjena ke ngomhla ka3 uhola abantu abadala, ngomhla ka6 uhola abakhubazekile, ngomhla ka7 ama foster care laba ababheka abantwana, ngomhla ka7 kube futhi ama care dependency grant, bese sekuba i child support grant. Sikwamukele ke if usanda ngena ke la emsakazweni iVOR, siyabona lapha yana einkundleni zokuxhumana ayaqhubeka yangena ama message from abahlali ikakhulukazi endaweni esebuzakhe enkanini, besingakezwa ke kwezinye indawo bayakhala ukuthi kunama section la ekungathi amanzi awakabuyi khona. Besicela ke mhlambe if ukhona okumkhandlu and or responsible olalele njengamanje umsakazo wethu iVOR, besicela ke nje ningenelele kakhulukazi ekusombululeni lapha yana inkinga yamanzi endaweni yaseMsholozi Park. Please siyacela kakhulukazi because bayakhala abahlali lapha yana. Kunzima ke ukungabi namanzi kunzima kakhulu, especially ke for the working class group. Kubanzima kakhulu because bavuka ekseni and then mele bageze belungiselela ukuya emsebenzini, bepheke beshiyele izingane ukudla. Kodwa ke makungekho manzi kuyaye kube nzima. Besicela ke ukuthi nathi singabomakhelwane, let's try and move in and assist each other. Lama section anawo amanzi asizameni ke ukubonelela lama section anganawo amanzi. Siyacela nje ukuthi sibambisaneni, silekelelane nomkhandlu nawo mhlawumbe obambekile ngezimo enzima ezithize ukuthi kungakwazi ukuthi kube khona isupply yamanzi ngokuphazima kweso lapha endaweni esenkaneni. But the section lawo namanzi, let's move in so umphakathi sibambisaneni and then sikwazi ukuthi sishare amanzi. If you are just tuned into iFocus Online Radio, sikwamele namhlanje kuseni usahleli naye ke usakhile sakhe Ngwenya, well known as Mr. Sounds of Soul.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
A ding dong. Ding dong. Lumangene ungishaya ding dong. Lo babes ungishaya ding dong. Maria Podestama, Maria Podestama, lo babes ya shisama, lo babes ya vutama, ay baby man, ungishaya dingo, ay manganya man, ungishaya kotlay, ay lo baby man, dingo. Swagala nawe zokuhlapela man. Ay, sugar man. Ding dong. Ding dong. Yo mangane ungishaya ding dong. Emergency man, mamelani man, ngentela man, bulo baby yo, ngibulala umuntu man. Yo, ding dong. Ding dong. Shesa, ding dong.
It's summer! Time to shake and win!
It's your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out here. Someone is living out here. It's your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out here. Someone is living out here. We live for the weekend, working up the courage. We pray away, pray away, pray away, pray away. All is well, 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 well.
Shake it up, Zanti!
Bet your life, go and be alive.
Vodacom is giving you lots of ways to shake and win your share of over 100 million rand in prizes. Move to summer. Move to SA's leading network.
Da, da.
You are eligible to vote if you are a South African citizen, registered to vote, at least 18 years old, in possession of a green barcoded ID book, smart ID card, or temporary identity certificate. Government encourages all South Africans, especially young and first-time voters, to exercise their democratic right to vote and move our country forward.
Blazing the steel. Bring the heat. Mixing non-stop. With the hottest DJ.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
You had your fill and now you're on your way, searching for what nobody knows. You think that you can go just anywhere and toy with any will and soul. You play with love as though it's a game, leaving a string of broken hearts, heartbeat stopping. But soon the day will come, then you learn the love that you waste. You're gonna need it again and again and again. Well, baby, you don't know it now. You're gonna know it someday. You throw in a good love away. You don't know it now. You're gonna know it someday. You led me to believe that someday we would be walking together down the aisle. And now you're telling me it's all a big mistake. I'm not the apple of your eye. Baby, you play with love as though it's a game, leaving a string of broken hearts down the road. Come on, love me. But soon the day will come, and then you'll learn that the love that you waste, you're gonna need again and again and again. Oh, baby, you don't know it now. Don't you know it someday? Throw in a
string of broken hearts. Oh Lord, but soon the day will come, and then you'll learn the love that you waste. You're gonna need it again and again and again. Whoa, you don't know it now, don't you know it someday? Well, you're throwing a good love away. Baby, don't know it now, don't you know it someday? Well, you're throwing a good love away. I know you're gonna miss your water till your well runs dry. Girl, you're gonna cry one day. Oh, baby, don't know it now. You know life's funny sometimes. The same one that said I love you can abuse you. I try to use you sometimes. I got to know, will you stick with me, baby? Oh, hey, I know you're a young girl. Freedom's new to your world, but honey, you're throwing a good man down the drain. A good man away. Hey, you don't know it, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't know it now, but you know it someday. Throwing a good love away. Don't know it now, but you know it someday. Throwing a good love away. Don't know it now, but you know it someday. Throwing a good love away. Don't know it now, but you know it someday. Throwing a good love away. Don't know it now, but you know it someday. Throwing a good love away. Don't know it now, but you know it someday. Throwing a good love away. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, baby. Throwing my love away. Save for a rainy day. I wonder if I showed you the way, would you love me today? Somewhere in your future. Oh, baby, you don't know. You don't know. You don't know. No, 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 no. I'm a good man. I love you. Let me get on up here. Oh, I'm a good man. Ask your friends. Oh, they've seen me when I'm walking around. That's showing my stuff. But I love you, and I've settled down. Hey, raise me a family. Oh, somewhere in the future. Hey, hey, my. Yeah, oh, give me a good time now. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Throwing our love away. Don't want me around to see you smile, honey. I've been a good man, a good man. I love you, honey. day. And I'm telling you right, man.
Sithole ingoma emnandi kakhulu. It's one of the classic song and ethandwa abantu abaningi. Sinokubona ke nasey'nkundleni zokuxhumana if you udlalele ngoma uyabona abantu bejabula ukukhombayo ukuthi it holds lot of memories. Nami ke ngikhumbuza ke my late dad uJabulane uBright wangwayne well known as uMpharanyana. May his soul rest in peace. Kulo nyaka ke simarka a full 20 years without abazali bethu si familia kangwena sekungathi nje laba khona bangalala ngokuthula. It's a nice song from Amaspinas. The title of the song is You Are Throwing a Good Love Away. Esumsakazo we EVOR namhlanje sithanda ukuxwayisa kubo bonke abathathi bophuzo oludakayo ukuthi bakhumbule phela ukuthi kulamaviki lawa esibuya kuwo kuye kwatholakala ukuthi kuneyindawo ezidayisa utshwala obungekho esimeni ukuthi bungaphuzwa abantu, okusho ukuthi it's fake alcohol. We did update about that, but manje ayaqhubeka kama reporter lokayangena la kithi, especially kwi brand eyodwa abayithenga ke endaweni ehlukahlukene engesikwazi kuyibiza la emoyeni ngoba kuzobukeka ngathi silwa nosomabhizinisi abathile. But nje sithanda ukuxwayisa nje abaphuzi, especially abathatha uphuzo oludakayo a brand ebizwa neSavannah, ukuthi make sure if the taste of your beer iyo le oyaziyo original, or just buy one and the other place and buy one and start comparing the two, and then bese soyasho ukuthi cha ngathi le I taste ukufana nale. Siyacela ke futhi niqikelele kakhulu siya kule weekend ezobanzima, sibonele kunama event ngapha nangapha abantu bazobe bephumile beyoyijabulisa. Please make sure the taste of the beer you are taking isesimeni or yile taste oyijwayele. Ungenzi ke ukuthi ke udidwe ubumnandi uphuze noma yini kanti sobeka impilo yakho engcupheni. If usamangena ke you are tuned into iFocus Online Radio, siyacela ke bahlali kuyo yonke Dr. Pix lika Isakaseme niqikelele lokho ukuthi the beer you are taking or the beverage or anything that you are consuming isezingeni elifanele futhi iyona. If you are just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Without wasting time, we're going to move into our exclusive yezindaba ezisanda kungena ke kithi la emsakazweni ezithi ANC is pinning its hope on the outcome of the IEC court application to postpone the election. The ANC is pinning its hope on the outcome of the Independent Electoral Commission application of the Constitutional Court to have a local government election postponed. This is after the party withdraw its application to the Electoral Court to force the IEC to reopen its IT system so that political parties and independent candidates could submit their list. The deadline was 9 p.m. on Monday, ngomhla 23 August. Ke sumsakazo iVOR sisilule isandla and try to find out more based on the issues axoxisana noMbali Thethani from Newsroom Africa. Hlala ke nathi uthi ne la sizokudlalela khona ukuthi uMbali yena uyibeke kanjani, uthi yini eshiwo ANC mayelana nalodaba. If usanda kungena ke you are tuned into iFocus Online Radio. Our morning drive isizo sasekuseni la sithi TBT Thursday la sikusha khona ke ngeza mzukwana sithindeke lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana ku 0664708362. Utshele ukuthi wena lo mculo esikupha wona namhlanje ukukhumbuza yaphi, ukukhumbuza kuphi, ukukhumbuza yipi level yempilo oke waba kuyo osokuthuthukile manje wathi xaxa from kuyo. Awusithindeke lapha ku 0664708362 or simply send us an inbox lapha ku Facebook via Focus Online Online Radio page. There's a group, there's a page. Uzobona ukuthi ungena kuphi usithumelele umlayezo sizobe seke siyawufunda khoma la ku Focus Online Radio or simply send us a voice note sizokudlalela ukuthi lo mculo esudlala namhlanje wena ukukhumbuza bani or ukukhumbuza kuphi.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
You thought when you had left me that you'd really tear me apart. But what you did not understand is that you really didn't own my heart. You went out and did everything. You made me stay at home. But all the time while you were out there, girl, I wasn't always at home alone. Tell me who's fooling who? Are you fooling me? Or am I fooling you? Who's fooling who? Were you fooling me? Or was I fooling you? You see why you thought you were sneaking away from me. There was always someone else that I was waiting to see. But that's really not important now. It's all over, said and done. And now that the truth is out, little girl, you want the only one having fun. Tell me who
Sikubingelele if usanda kungena kumsakazo iFocus Online Radio. You are tuned into iVOR sihlelike la kwi morning drive show isidlo sethu sasekuseni la sithi TBT Thursday la sikupho khona all the classic song zonke ingoma ezake zadla ubhedu way back in the days. Sikwamkeleke iVOR ke sithanda ukubika ke namhlanje ukuthi on our outreach program siphumile ke futhi we are out lapha yana kumama kuThomas Kitchen la kukhona iMasondo feeding scheme lapha yana kumama Masondo la kukhona iMasondo feeding scheme la siyayisiphe khona lunch to all the unemployed people abeze edrobheni njengo 80s ngabe uzoyithathela license uyiphambukele endaweni yasemakhaya imali onayo ile ukuthi uze ngapho uphinde ujike awunayo ukuthi uyitholele lunch sihloleke lapha yana taxi rank ngo12 sizokwazi ukuthi sikuzuzame ngokuya ngasethunjini. The aim of this project is not only to feed abantu laba ekuthiwa amaphara but is to feed the people bonke nje abeza edrobheni bezofuna usizo ngezinto ezithile kodwa benganayo imali yokuthi bangayithengela okusethunjini to avoid ukuthi bagcine benze izinto ezibafaka enkingeni. Abasicheckeke lapha yana ngo12 o'clock lapha yana kumama Masondo feeding scheme lapha yana ke ikhona lapha taxi rank mawufika nje taxi rank ubuza ukuthi ngicela ikhishi la mama Kutsuma and then join us there from 12 namuhla ke iVOR izobe ilapho ilekelela khona ke la siya esincede khona ke ngokuthi siphe abantu abadingayo usizo okuya ngokusethunjini. If you are just tuned into iFocus Online Radio sesizophuma ke nje manje sithi ukuthi siye caffeine sicela futhi ukuthi sigcizelele ukuthi sixwayisa bonke abathathi bophuzo oludakayo ukuthi baqikelele ukuthi isiphuzo lesi abasiphuzayo i-taste yaso iyona yona na siphinde sixwayisa ke nabathengisi bazo ke iphuzo. It's so unfortunate ukuthi abanye ke bayakuthengisa kodwa bona abaphuzi. They must try and get someone ozo taste ukuthi taste yiyo yini le abayijwayele because iVOR sithola nje imbiko ehlukahlukene about different brands of alcohol. So sithi nje asinixwayise nonke as a whole nomphakathi wa Dr. Pix ayisakasema ukuthi qikelela ukuthi taste yephuzo othathayo iyona futhi ke i-taste ngalendlela vele nawe oyazi ngayo before you even buy more, before you even think of buying a 24. Try and open one and taste it and see ukuthi iyona. If you purchase a tender when if an ShopRite, keep a receipt so that you can take it back la oyithathe khona ke. Sibingelele fusanda ngena ku Focus Online Radio sahle naye ke usakhile sakhi wakangwenya well known as Mr. Sounds of Soul.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
You get a fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. He live with the bottle, that's the way it is. He says his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. Wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? You gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. We go cruise and entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job. Now work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted. We'll move out of the shelter, buy a bigger house and live in the suburbs. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. I got a job that pays all our bills. Instead of drinking late at the bar, see more your friends than you do your kids. I'd always hope for better. Thought maybe together you and me find it. I got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. So take your fast car and keep on driving. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so you can fly away? You gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way.
In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
The team scored a clear victory with the Debonairs Creme Decker today.
And lots of support there from the sides. And Malume always with a mouthful.
Oh, Bantwana getting schooled by the old and arrows. Party inside.
The keepers are clearly not on the board.
But still on the prize. With 3 layers and a cheese griller filled crust, you'll need a team to finish the Creme Decker. Now for only $169.90. And we deliver Mahara. Debonairs Pizza. Try something amazing.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
Baby girl, alright. I gotta find me a girl. Alright now. Sunshine,
Someone tell me. Taking every time, dancing with your body close to mine. Then you kiss my lips, girl. Girl, I thought it was a sign. I want you forever, but good intentions never win. I've got that feeling tonight I'll be I don't know if it'll ever come back again. That's what you are, sunshine and rain. Your eyes didn't say you had a man. There'd never be love within your plans, and it hurts so bad. Someone tell me. Gotta find me there. Then they say goodbye. Please, baby. Why? Taking every time. Oh, I gotta believe there's a Roni for me somewhere in this world. I'm not gonna stop, gonna search till I drop, till I find that girl. I gotta believe there's a Roni for me somewhere in this world. I'm not gonna stop, gonna search till I drop, till I find that girl. Taking every time, babe. Why keep falling for someone else's time? Why do I?
Hottest DJ mixing the beats. Beats. Mixing the beats. In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
We stroll the beach, holding hands, sharing quality time. What happened between then and now? The love we shared was lost somehow. My friends trying to tell me that we're moving too fast, but how could I know the feelings would pass? It wouldn't last. I know I should have left a long time ago, but I stayed to see, hoping and praying you still love me. Girl, I gotta go. I can't stay. You said things would change, but girl, things are still the same. Say it one more time. Girl, I gotta go. I can't stay. Stay together, putting the front on. I'd rather be on my own. Listen, I took you in, treated your children as mine. Then we laid and made love, and you had my son. What a precious time. I did all that I could to get through you I was living for. But you let your mind play games on you. Never know. You think that I don't know that you're passing time with the guy next door. I gave you all that I had. You didn't love me one ounce. So like a basketball, I gotta bounce. Oh yeah, I can't stay. You said things would change. Girl, things are still the same. Oh girl, I gotta go. I can't stay. Gotta go bye 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 bye. Putting the front on. I'd rather be on my own. Listen, baby, can you tell me where I went wrong? Yeah. All I ever wanted, baby, 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 was a happy home I can call my own. I can't take no more. So I'm telling you, bye, 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 bye. I can't stay. Said things would change. Lord have mercy. Girl, things are still the same. Girl, I gotta go. I can't stay. Stay together, putting the front on. I'd rather be on my own. I can't stay. Said things would change. Things are still the same. I gotta go. I can't stay. Stay together, putting the front on. I'd rather be on my own. Break down. 'Cause I wanna talk to my people this evening. Come on and let them know it takes a fool to learn that love don't love nobody. That's why I can truly say in my heart that love don't